Hi everybody, today we're doing a math project called Factorville. Basically, you're going to pick a number, find the factor pairs, and then on the other side you're going to draw something like a scene where you show those factors. So I'm going to show you what I mean. First of all, you need to make sure that you pick a factor pair that has at least, or a number that has at least 3 factor pairs. So for example, I'm going to do the number 24. Now on the back of your paper with a pencil, you need to write the number that you've chosen. And then you need to write out the factor pairs. So 24 has more than 3 factor pairs. So you can definitely do more, but you have to have at least 3. So there's 1, 2, 3 times 8, and 4 times 6. Now I'm going to draw something on the other side. And I'm going to really take my time. I'm going to take several days on this. I'm going to draw some kind of scene, like I could do a carnival, or I could do a football stadium, or I could do a pumpkin patch, and I'm going to try to show these factor pairs. And before you start drawing, I do want you to do some brainstorming and decide how you can show these, and then write it right here, what you're going to do. And then if you change your mind later, that's okay, but you do need to have some kind of planning here. So I'm going to draw a pumpkin patch, and so I'm thinking, maybe I could do like 8 rows with 3 pumpkins in each. That would show the pumpkin patch, or that would show 3 times 8, excuse me. So 8 rows, 3 pumpkins in each. So I really want you to plan this out. And I know it's a little light for you to see because I'm using my pencil, but I really want you to use your pencil. Let's see here, what else? Maybe I will do 4 barns, even though that's a lot. 4 barns, and I'll put like 6 windows on each. 6 windows on each. 2 times 12 and 1 times 24. I wonder what I'm going to do for the 1 times 24. What other kind of stuff is at a pumpkin patch? I'm going to make it kind of like a farm too. So I'm going to do 2 cows, and I'm going to have each cow is going to have 12 spots. And again, if I change my mind later, and I want to do horses or something different, that's fine later, but we want to make sure that we've got an idea. Okay, now should I do 1 item with 24 on it, or should I draw 24 of something? I think I'm going to draw 24 birds in the sky. And that's 24 times 1, because it's like 1 sky of 24 birds. All right, so I'm going to draw 24 birds in the sky. I could have also done something like maybe 1 fence. Ooh, that could be cool. 1 fence with 24 poles. Or I could draw 1 barn with 24 windows. Or I could line up 24 pumpkins, like 1 row of 24. The possibilities are really endless. Now I'm going to flip my paper over and I'm going to start drawing a farm. And there are tons of resources online. I would encourage you to Google something like how to draw a farm, or if you're doing, a pool, how to draw a swimming pool. Even better if you add how to draw a swimming pool for kids. And you can find different things. You can also Google, if I Google farm, I'm going to get like a photograph. But if I Google farm drawing, I'm going to get things that look a little more attainable or realistic. You can also Google, farm clip art, horse